What's up everyone, it's Gil here from 3D-Agent.com, and what I'm going to show you today is that you do not need to have any experience with Blender. If you just know what you want to do, you can make it with 3D-Agent. So essentially here I'm going to show you how I created this earth scene just with a single prompt. Enhancing, no experience. I have no idea what I'm doing in Blender, guys. I'm just a coder, and I know we are going to be hated by the designers and Blender artists. That's not intention here to steal your jobs. It's just to make things efficient for everyone. So the problem is most of the AIs we have right now, they create some random assets which are not very good. And when we are using a tool that's like Cursor, but inside Blender, it's behaving like a human and creating the asset as it should be, as it's created by a proper designer or artist. So the meshes, the polygons are well made. On here, this one, I asked Blender to create earth scene in space for me. It's creating the scene, it's checking the coordinates. It's also following an AI agent loop, so you can see I'm not touching anything anymore. I already prompted. It's seeing, as you can see, it took a screenshot again. So it's understanding the scene, something that was like in the Blender MCP that we forked. Yes, as you can see right now, it's loading again, taking another screenshot, understand the scene. So how can it enhance it to make it look like Earth more? So I think it's missing some clouds, and that's what I suppose it's going to do. Yes, it's going to set up some clouds and lightning. So Sony 4.5, it's powering this machine right now, and it's thinking. Let's see. Yes, it did deploy some clouds, guys. It is deploying some clouds, as you can see. Perfect. It is again checking, take a screenshot, checking coordinates, trying to understand the meshes, and it's seeing it. Yes. So you can see it's pretty fast, and there's not much that needs to be done on your side. If you know what you want to do, you can easy access and create things with 3D-Agent.com. And again, I'm a completely noob. I have no idea how to use Blender, so imagine you watching this that has experience way more than me with Blender, can make way more interesting stuff with that, right? So thank you very much, guys. Please subscribe, access 3dagent.com. We are in private beta right now, onboarding more users, and I want to see you there. Goodbye.